Liposuction procedure candidate is generally at normal weight, or he or she can be above normal weight also, but he or she should not be grossly obese or grossly overweight. These grossly overweight individuals should look at lifestyle changes most preferably, and if they have failed to do so, they can look at bariatric surgery as a means to achieve weight loss. Hello dear friends, I'm Dr. BK Garg. I'm plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram area at Iconic Clinic. In today's video, we will discuss two procedures and how do they differ. We get a lot of queries regarding liposuction. Many of these queries try to see liposuction as a weight loss procedure, or many of these patients or many of you who inquire us about liposuction, they have earlier inquired about bariatric surgery. So in this video, I'll try to clarify how do liposuction and bariatric surgery differ, and which patients or which candidates are right candidates for liposuction and who are right candidate for bariatric surgery. I hope that you will find this video useful. Let us try to understand first, why do we gain weight? Now, weight gain can be because of multiple reasons. Most commonly, it is outcome of poor lifestyle choices over the years. These choices relate to poor dietary habits and sedentary lifestyle. Once you are stuck with poor food choices over a period of time, then these choices become a habit. Your mind gets used to these food items and you crave for them if you don't get them. Once you start gaining weight, it automatically happens that you become less active physically. It's also true that you may have been less active as such, but adding these extra kilos makes you even more sedentary. Now, once you have gained a lot of weight, your metabolism undergoes a change. You develop insulin resistance. Your body starts putting in more weight. The food you eat, it starts contributing towards weight gain in more forceful way. So once you gain weight, your body gets into a mode, or it becomes easier for you to gain more and more weight. Second reason you may have weight gain may have to do with some other medical conditions, or it can be outcome of some metabolic problems. We won't be discussing those problems in detail. Now let's look at ways to lose weight. You can lose weight three ways. One, you can lose weight by bringing about significant lifestyle change. This is healthiest way to lose weight. And whatever changes you bring, these changes will be long lasting and you will have better health and better weight. Now, second way, when these methods may have failed, is bariatric surgery. So what does bariatric surgery actually do? Bariatric surgery is generally offered to those candidates or those patients who have definitely failed to bring about these lifestyle changes, or wherein these lifestyle changes itself are not sufficient to help them attain their ideal or healthy weight. It's important that options of lifestyle changes, including motivation process to introduce these lifestyle changes, has definitely failed before you embark or try to consider bariatric surgery as a weight loss solution. What does bariatric surgery do? Bariatric surgery procedure is generally aimed at reducing consumption of food or reducing absorption of food. Now, this is achieved by performing a procedure which is surgical in nature and most commonly performed in laparoscopic method, and it involves either operating upon your stomach or intestine, which may involve reducing the volume of stomach or introducing some kind of diversion to reduce the consumption or absorption of food items. So over a period of many months following this procedure, even if you are consuming food, you start losing weight. This happens in two ways: either since your ability to consume large quantities of food has been reduced, or ability of your digestive system to absorb this food has been reduced, and you will continue to lose weight. This is a significant surgical procedure and involves a significant commitment on part of particular individual. This procedure is generally offered to patients who are morbidly or very obese or grossly overweight. This is bariatric surgery. Now, many of you who do not want to undergo bariatric surgery many times reach us and try to consider liposuction as a procedure to reduce weight. Now, please try to understand that liposuction procedure only removes fat from under the skin. Liposuction process itself does not lead to any change in your lifestyle or in any of the reasons which were making you gain weight. So this procedure itself does not bring about long-lasting change in weight, although there can be some weight loss happening with liposuction process. Second reason liposuction fails to help you lose weight is you can still gain fat in areas where little fat has been left behind after liposuction procedure. Same fat cells can expand and store more fatty tissue, and you may still end up gaining weight if you do not bring about any lifestyle change. So now we recommend liposuction procedure as a body contouring procedure, wherein goal is to remove selected areas of fat and to help you achieve better contour. It's never performed as an alternative to lifestyle changes to bring about weight loss. Liposuction procedure candidate is generally at normal weight, or he or she can be above normal weight also. But he or she should not be grossly obese or grossly overweight. These grossly overweight individuals should look at lifestyle changes most preferably, and if they have failed to do so, they can look at bariatric surgery as a means to achieve weight loss. So liposuction is generally a body contouring procedure, helps you achieve better contour, helps you attain better proportion of body size, allows you to look better and help you restore confidence and faith in your own appearance and looks. So if you are looking to undergo liposuction procedure, then look at it as a body contouring procedure and you will not be disappointed. I hope that you found this video useful. If you have any more queries regarding liposuction or body contouring procedures, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll be very happy to help you. Thank you very much.